how to enable file search in Copilot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. To enable search in Copilot on Windows, you'll need to head over to the Copilot first and then go to the profile and then head over to settings. Now scroll down and under permission settings, you can see file search. Just toggle it on. Now this will allow Copilot access to local files and it will retrieve the files for you. And then you can also toggle on file read and this will allow Copilot to read the files on your PC to help you answer your questions. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.